How to use ZenGo Wallet tutorial. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, let us understand what ZenGo Wallet is. ZenGo Wallet is a self-custodial crypto wallet that allows users to store, buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies securely without managing a private key. It uses MPC, that is multi-party computation technology, instead of traditional seed phrases, making it easy and safe for both beginners and advanced users. So, go ahead and open your App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for ZenGo Wallet and download the application further. Now, launch the app and tap on Get Started. You will be required to enter your email address for account registration. Verify your email by tapping on the link sent to your inbox and follow the prompts to set up facial recognition. Next, you need to back up your wallet, that is your recovery kit. So, ZenGo requires you to back up your wallet to ensure recovery if you lose access to your phone. Save the recovery kit, a file with encrypted wallet details, securely and store it in a cloud service like Google Drive or iCloud. Do not share this file with anyone. And now, in order to add funds to ZenGo Wallet, open the ZenGo app and tap on the Receive option you see there. Select the cryptocurrency you want to receive, example Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now copy your wallet address or share the QR code with the sender and wait for the transaction to confirm. Next, how to send crypto using ZenGo Wallet. So tap on the Send button in the app and then select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Further, enter the recipient's wallet address or scan their QR code. Now, enter the amount to send and review the transaction details. Confirm the transaction using your facial recognition. And now to swap currencies in ZenGo Wallet, tap on the Trade option and then select the cryptocurrency you want to swap from and then select the To option. Further, enter the amount you wish to swap and review the details including exchange rates and fees. Finally, confirm the swap to complete the transaction. So, this was about ZenGo Wallet setup. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.